Your social media profile speaks before you do. It's your digital storefront, your virtual handshake, your 24/7 brand ambassador. But are you making the right impression? At Vikilinks, we understand that a well-optimized social media profile is more than just a profile picture and a bio. It's a strategic asset that transforms casual browsers into loyal customers. With 8 years of experience optimizing over 500 business profiles, we know exactly what it takes to make your profile work harder for your business. Every second, millions of potential customers search for businesses just like yours. Having a presence isn't enough. You need to stand out. That's where our profile optimization expertise comes in. We don't just make your profiles look good, we make them perform. Our approach to profile optimization starts with a comprehensive audit. We analyze every element of your current profiles, from your visual branding to your contact information, from your bio structure to your content organization. We identify gaps, opportunities, and areas where you're leaving potential engagement untapped. Your visual identity matters. Your profile picture, cover photo, and highlighted content need to tell a cohesive story. We ensure your visual elements are not just professionally designed, but strategically chosen to reflect your brand values and resonate with your target audience. Every pixel serves a purpose. Optimization goes far beyond aesthetics. We craft compelling bios that do more than list what you do. They tell your story, highlight your unique value proposition, and drive action. Our expert copywriters know exactly how to make every character count, especially on platforms with strict character limits. Keywords drive discovery. We research and integrate relevant, high-performing keywords throughout your profiles, making you more discoverable to your target audience. Whether they're searching on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, we make sure your business shows up when it matters most. Local visibility demands special attention. If you're a business serving specific geographic areas, we ensure your profiles are properly configured to appear in local searches. From location tags to service area specifications, we make sure you're visible to the customers who matter most to your business. Each platform serves a unique purpose, and we optimize accordingly. LinkedIn profiles need to exude professionalism and industry expertise. Instagram must showcase your brand's personality and visual appeal. Facebook pages should facilitate community engagement. We understand these nuances and optimize each profile accordingly. Call to action buttons, contact information, business hours. These seemingly small details can make or break a customer's journey. We ensure every clickable element on your profile is strategically placed and optimized for conversion. No opportunity for engagement is wasted. Optimization evolves with platforms. As social networks add new features, we ensure your profiles stay ahead of the curve. When LinkedIn introduces a new profile section or Instagram rolls out a new business feature, we're there to implement it for maximum impact. Content showcases need strategic organization. Whether it's Instagram highlights, LinkedIn featured sections, or Facebook tabs, we strategically organize and display your best content to make a powerful first impression and keep visitors engaged. We rely on data to drive decisions. Our team continuously monitors profile performance metrics, from profile views to action button clicks, from follower growth to engagement rates. This allows us to refine our optimization strategies and ensure your profiles are always performing at their peak. Profile optimization isn't a one-time task. Platforms change, audiences evolve, and businesses grow. Our optimization strategies evolve with you, ensuring your profiles always reflect your current business goals and market position. The difference between a good profile and a great one? Optimization by experts. Your journey to profile excellence begins with a conversation. Vikilinks, where excellence meets results. Ready to transform your social media profiles? Get your free profile optimization consultation now, and let's build your digital success story together.